So my parent, they live in Myanmar, and they running for a civil war against Myanmar's government, like soldier and with Korean people. We are they call for Korean KREN. I lived there about so I was born there, so like for 15 years. Then we become a refugee in Thailand. There's nothing you can do. There's nowhere to go out. Only every day stay home. Just like us, like go to wake up, go to school, come back home. Same thing, like it's in the prison. Same thing, cannot go anywhere. Just have to stay in the camp. If you wanna go out, so you have to like have a permission form. If you don't, if a police or security caught you, then you have to go to jail. My parent, we moved to Philadelphia. Our first trip to other like country. It was a good moment for and it's a good opportunity for. So my parent, like our parents, think about not they didn't think about themselves like they think about like us they can to have to grow and to have more opportunity what they want to become. And everything was done. Then we moved to America. Yeah, it's like way too long. We applied for since 2006. 2006. We it came here like 2013. It took like 5 or 6 years. Yeah, I love working here with a bunch of people here. It was really fun. People to like you get to laugh every day. It's like working here, and people are willing to help you. If you need help, they help you. So it's a good opportunity for like young people like me and stuff that have a good opportunity to learn more, whatever I need to know, whatever I want to know. So they will tell me everything. They will help me out. It was my first time to work in the company. And right now it's still challenging, but it's not as much as in the first time when I started in the QC. Yeah, those guys, yeah, they helped me out a lot. Whenever, and first, yeah, Nick, Cesar, yeah, they helped me out a lot whenever I asked them. Yeah, we have an English class for 2 day. It was Friday and Saturday. They teach them about like tool and how to speak to the manager and stuff. It was pretty fun. It was fun. Yeah, I learned a lot. Yeah, I learned some a little bit like more of I can't say like English a little bit. I learned because I had to stay with like a people that only speak English, so not and my own like country people, So I can improve it a little bit more. That's what I learn more, and I learn more about like how to deal with those stuff that I never done it. This is my first place that I work in as a company. I never worked as a company like those material those stuff. Yeah, this is my first time. This is my first company that I work. I never like saw the drone was I don't know what is a drone like what to look for. So they will tell me, they'll help me out. Yeah, thanks to them a lot. Yeah, it is awesome. Yeah, in my future, yeah, I always dream about to have my own desk, to be in the office and stuff, help working Yes, sir. Yeah, they helped me a lot. I need to talk to me to go back to school because I need to finish school. And Mr. Sam, yeah, he told me he wanted me to go back to school. He talked to me about it. Yeah, I thanks to him a lot. Yeah, thanks to him a lot. He's a nice person. His family that's nice. Yeah, he told me about it. Yeah, to want me to go back to school, have a degree stuff. Yeah, I told him I would try. Yeah.